Have you ever felt proud that when you Googled your brand, you were top one, but when you did the same thing on ChatGPT, you were nowhere to be found? Yeah, that's happening to a lot of us right now, and marketers are freaking out. Search behavior is changing rapidly simply because the rules have changed. Ranking on Google and ranking on ChatGPT are not the same game. And if you're still optimizing for your meta titles, you're finding the perfect content writer, you may be missing the point and you may be invisible to AI. So in this video, I will break down exactly how to rank on LLMs like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini after overseeing more than hundreds of clients' websites here at Digital Web Solutions. First things first, before I get into the steps, I want to clarify something. LLMs rely on high authority websites as trusted sources because they don't want to be wrong when they give you the correct answer. So what basically LLMs do is that they summarize what's already on high authority websites through repetition and trust. So if your brand isn't mentioned in high authority publications or relevant content, ChatGPT really doesn't know that you exist. So that's why showing up in the right places matters more than technical SEO or nailing down the best on-page SEO tactics. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to stop SEO. It means that you need to add additional strategies to your current SEO campaigns so you don't stay behind. I mean, look at our good friend Sean from Simple Tigers, who understood the importance of PR and branding early on, so when users switched to ChatGPT, his company appeared right away. And what is the best way for you to do that right now is digital PR. Here's why. Traditional SEO helps you to rank on Google, but digital PR helps you to stay visible and remembered. But LLMs rely more on who is mentioned and how often, not just who is linked. So if your brand appears on trusted sources, even without the link, it sends a strong signal to AI that this brand actually matters. So digital PR helps you with these type of placements, like in-depth features, quotes from expert roundups, data studies that journalists love to cite. So the game is not about link juice anymore. It's about entity reinforcement. So by blending in your traditional SEO practices like on-page technical link building with digital PR, you are setting yourself up for success in terms of AI visibility. So here's the proof how it works. For example, one of our clients is an injury and car accident lawyer, and he partnered with us for 6 PR campaigns. We only did data-driven stories and the results were awesome. Their company got syndicated 40 times and got media pickups from Yahoo, MSN, and regional outlets, helping the firm stand out as one of the leading sources in their niche. So let's get into the 3 steps how you can rank on ChatGPT. Number 1, expert commentary. So when there's a very important political, economical, or even pop culture event happening around the world, you want to become the expert and give a very thoughtful comment on it. Those stories get picked up by journalists very easily because you have the proven expertise and insights to comment on that specific study or event. Number 2 is our favorite, is data-driven digital PR stories that could be literally anything. But the best part is that any story that you create can be tailored to your niche, which then gives Google and AI a lot of relevance, and you will become a trusted source for that data study as well. And the best part is you don't have to be involved in the data stories. You can delegate it to us or to other people or build your own data team. Typically, these data stories are data studies gathered from different sources, either from the government or from your own proprietary data or primary research. So data-driven stories is one of our favorite ways to conduct digital PR. Number 1, you can do data study in literally any topic. Number 2, you can control what type of data study you create and link it to your industry or your offering and niche. For example, when we were working with injury lawyers, we gathered data around the United States, specifically around the time of Halloween, which state became the most dangerous one. So by having our client become the data source for this case study, it was very obvious that this injury lawyer cares about the safety of people, and the journalist can immediately pick up the story because it was also a seasonal topic during Halloween. The second part is you can always use your proprietary data. So if you are an e-commerce company, you must have a lot of data already in-house, and you can create stories from there. And number 3 is one of the best ways to get a lot of high DR links linking to you immediately is reactive PR. Now, the challenge with reactive PR is that you have to find and stay on top of the news all the time to find the best stories possible. So some of the examples of reactive PR could be when a war broke out between two countries, or even more lighthearted ones when the lights went off during Super Bowl. But what is the key across all these 3 strategies is trust and repetition. Just because one campaign didn't work out for you, it doesn't mean you have to stop. Every single time when our campaigns don't get picked up, we twist the angle or we come up with a brand new story again and start the data study from scratch. Either way, this strategy had been proven over time, and it does give LLMs the right mentions, and it gives your brand the right features. So remember, if your brand is not showing up on ChatGPT or other AI chatbots, it's not because of your SEO. It's because your visibility is just incomplete. So SEO gets you seen and digital PR gets you remembered. And in the age of ChatGPT, if you don't appear right away, you are missing out a big top of funnel content, and it hurts your brand visibility. But luckily for you, we have a full-on workshop how to run digital PR campaigns from scratch from all of our case studies over the 100 campaigns we have delivered. And you can check it out in the link description below and sign up for our digital PR lab today. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!